Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can hide your channels in your Slack workspace. For example, if you'd like to hide it from your workspace members or keep it private. So guys, drop a like and now let us get started. It is actually super simple, guys. You can, for example, archive your channel to hide it from your channel members or workspace members. All you need to do is simply right click on a given channel here in your workspace on the left panel with your right mouse and select view channel details from that menu here. And what you want to do after that is access your channel settings here to the right where it says settings. And in the last step, simply click on archive channel for everyone, just like that. And read through this description and this disclaimer if you like. And once you have read through this description, simply confirm your decision by clicking on archive channel here. And in the following, your channel will disappear from your list of channels here associated to your workspace. So that's how you hide your channels, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.